So welcome to this video. Today we're looking at cayenne. It's number 4 in our series of 30 herbs for better gut health. Now let's look at an overview. So we're going to look at the part used, collection, the constituents, actions of cayenne and its health benefits, preparation and dosage. So the part used is the fruit. You can see it here on the right of the bowl. What we know as chili, and there's various names for it, but there's a particular brand of cayenne that is particularly stronger, and it's this is cayenne. So for collection, the fruit should be harvested when fully ripe and dried in the shade. So constituents are capsaicin, carotenoids, flavonoids, essential oil and vitamin C. So the actions are, it's a stimulant, carminative, digestive, antibacterial, analgesic and antioxidant. There are many health benefits of cayenne, including it regulates blood flow, strengthens the heart, it's a real cardiotonic, it enhances appetite, combats parasites, so it helps to balance gut flora, relieves wind, nausea and indigestion, so really good for digestion, reinforces immunity, prevents colds, improves memory, works on the nervous system, brings blood flow and can be used in the treatment of depression. So for preparation and dosage, can be taken as an infusion, so generally it's a quarter to half a teaspoon in cold water, taken once per day. It's very hot, but once consumed it absorbs quickly and you will have a heating effect and increased blood flow as a result. It can be taken as a tincture in a very small dose, which is a quarter of 1 ml in water 3 times a day. It can also be used as an ointment, used externally to increase healing, bringing blood flow to an area, increasing circulation, stimulation. Remember, you can follow me over on the Botanical Mind on Instagram, where I post a lot of content. I do some live Instagram events and more. So here also are the sources for this video. Take care and I'll see you soon. Thanks a million for watching.